Hey, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever heard of a car going a million miles? Well, get this. A Tesla Model S owner just did it. That's right, a million miles on one electric car. This isn't about some fancy prototype either, folks. It's a regular production Model S, just like the ones you see on the road. Amazing, right? Now you might be thinking, is this some kind of marketing gimmick? Nope. This is the real deal. Hansjörg, a regular guy, just loves driving his Tesla. He uses it for everything, just like you and me use our cars. His daily commute, family trips, you name it. If you're enjoying this story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing content. But here's the kicker. He hit this incredible milestone by taking care of his car. No magic tricks, just consistent care and attention. This guy's dedication to his Tesla is truly commendable. And his story has a valuable lesson for all of us, whether we're driving electric or gas-powered cars. It's all about understanding your car and treating it right. Just like a good friend, a well-maintained car will stick with you for the long haul. This Tesla Model S is a testament to that. So buckle up, folks. Let's dive into this incredible journey and learn the secrets of this million-mile marvel. Hansjörg wasn't born with a mechanic's wrench in hand. He simply understood something crucial. A little care goes a long way. His secret? Consistency. Just like we brush our teeth every day, he made EV care a routine. First up, charging. Think of your Tesla battery like your own body. You wouldn't overeat constantly, right? Same goes for your EV battery. This owner mostly charged his car to around 80%, only going to 100% when needed for longer trips. This easy habit kept his battery healthy for the long haul. Next, temperature control. Extreme heat or cold can be tough on any battery, even those powerful Tesla ones. The owner used his car's preconditioning feature, warming up the battery before driving in the cold. A cool trick for maximizing battery life. And of course, regular maintenance. Just like any car, EVs need checkups too. Hansjörg followed Tesla's recommended maintenance schedule diligently. Tire rotations, brake fluid checks, all the essentials. Think of it like going to the doctor for regular checkups. Prevention is always better than cure. Let's talk batteries, the heart of any electric car. The million-mile Model S proves that these batteries are built to last. But there are tricks to keep them in top shape for longer. First off, charging habits. Think of your battery like a marathon runner, not a sprinter. Frequent fast charging is like sprinting. It gets the job done, but can be more stressful in the long run. Hansjörg mostly relied on slower overnight charging. It's gentler on the battery and extends its lifespan. Second, avoid completely draining the battery. Think of it like your phone. Constantly hitting 0% can strain the battery over time. This owner always made sure to have a little juice left, just like keeping your phone above 10%. It's all about those small, consistent habits. Lastly, temperature is key. Extreme heat or cold can affect battery performance. Parking in the shade or using a garage, especially in extreme weather, can make a big difference. Think of it like keeping your phone out of direct sunlight. Simple actions, big impact. Driving style and its impact. Believe it or not, folks, how you drive can impact your car's lifespan, especially an EV. This million-mile Tesla owner understood this perfectly. His driving style wasn't about being slow, but about being smooth. No jackrabbit starts or sudden braking for him. He accelerated gradually and anticipated stops, allowing the regenerative braking to do its magic. This not only saved energy, but also reduced wear and tear on the brakes. Speed also plays a role. While Teslas are known for their speed, consistently pushing the car to its limits can strain the battery and other components. Hansjörg enjoyed the occasional burst of acceleration, but he mostly maintained moderate speeds, especially on highways. Remember, folks, it's a marathon, not a sprint. His driving style wasn't about being boring, it was about being smart and efficient. It's like choosing the scenic route. You enjoy the journey and arrive at your destination with your car happy and healthy,